Semi-automatic king caps sealing machine. This sealing machine is suitable for tin cans, aluminum cans, paper cans, plastic cans, PET cans, iron cans, etc. Semi-automatic operation mode. Machine is fully stainless steel design, CE certificated, meets the GMP standard. Reasonable design, carefully polished corners, safe and beautiful. Easy to operate, easy to adjust and easy to clean. Automatic operation mode. Machine is adjustable for sealing different diameter king caps, different height of cans. Chrome steel roller, not easily deformed. Perfect sealing performance, no leaks, no flaking. Machine is low noise and low failure rate, can be continuous and stable work for a long time. Thank you for your watching. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you are interested in our machine.